Hello guys and welcome back. So for today I have a quick tip for you, and it's all about this type of lock. Now this is a slide lock, and it's going to look exactly like this. Now this type of lock, usually you are going to install it from inside the house as a second security, or if you want to block the door in some way, you know, maybe the kids are going to open it and you want to have all that secure when you are not careful, you know, they might go out. There are different cases that you can use this type of lock. Anyway, in my case, about 10 years ago, I bought a bifold door, and this type of door is just going to open and close from inside. If you go out, there is no way that you can close it. And the biggest issue that I have is that the wind is just going to open it up if it's not closed. So yeah, this is my door. Now it's opened, or at least half of it there. And for me to open it or close it, I just need to do that, and that's it. And to open it, I need to pull it out. To close it, like I said, you just need to push it. And when the wind is going to be too strong, it's just going to open it like that. So I need to do something to block that, because I never had the time to do something on it. And even because I didn't want to drill in such a door right here. These types of doors are not cheap, and you don't really want to drill on them and installing something that is not going to look right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this right here, and that is going to hopefully stop it and have less headache. Now the pack came with other accessories. As you can see, this type you can just pull it in, put it in between the doors, and it's going to take less space. We have even a smaller one right here, and this is just working like that. You open these beads, then the doors are going to open. Now you can even install this right inside, and it's going to be same, it's going to open. You can put it like that if you have a slide door, and it's just going to open. The pack is coming with loads of accessories. Now if you want to close this one in, is even a small lock mechanism here, and this is the key, and you can close it, and then it's going to lock it in. But I don't need that. And yeah, now at the moment I'm a little bit injured and I cannot do too much work, so I just decided to do some small bits and pieces around the house that I left for a long time. So without any further ado, let's just see how can we install this, and hopefully I'm not going to damage my door. Alright, so I believe I'm just going to put it here like this, and I'm just going to mark this side for now. Right like this. I think it's straight enough. And done. Now we just need to drill, but because I'm injured, I will if you are injured also, you have to call a Mario. Mario, can you drill the holes for me?
I'm gonna try, but I don't know it's gonna be the right hole.
If it's going to break my door, it's going to be his fault.
Yeah,
right?
always like that when you try to help somebody else. They try to blame me.
Yeah, but I'm injured, look.
Yeah.
I'm like a pigeon.
Yeah, but I need this area. I'm too short.
You're that small? Look, easy. Here.
Yeah. See? See, your drill is look like the life, my friend. All them bent.
No, it's a cheap drill bit.
Okay, but you're gonna do something like that. You need to get like some proper tools then.
Yeah, I need to come at your factory then. Get some.
Don't have it now.
So now here, I think it's the closing system. So I'm afraid not to damage that one. I'm just going to do like two holes.
And check it.
Not that good. Here, you try it.
No, that
Now
drill,
you need more force.
that drill.
Yeah, don't push too much because it's going to break.
Yeah, but look at the drill, my friend. Look at my life. What? You're never gonna be straight.
Take another one. How big is that one? This is 3. This one is small.
Yeah, you can make it more after the screw is gonna.
Yeah.
It's gonna be more.
I don't
better.
have screws because they just give me 4. They give me these big ones, but I don't want to put these ones. I want to put this one.
Okay.
That's why less screws.
I want to think.
Okay, so we have a new drill bit because he's complaining.
Nothing is gonna be easy. No.
It's not going.
Now I think I go into my house and get some drill. I think I got the drill this side.
Ah, come on, it's just for
Look at
holes.
this drill, man.
It's done.
This is for the hood. Look at that. Yeah. Let me go in there and get nice drills. I come back here. Now you're gonna spoil the thing, man.
It's going to burn.
Yeah, he's gonna burn all this and that. This is drill bits you use in the hood. Oh, in the water. Maybe it's gonna work.
Make a hole in the water, you mean?
Yeah. Let me try to get some.
Okay, so we need new drill bits. He doesn't like my cheap drill bits. I never work with metal, so I don't have good stuff. I just have this box right here. And my coffee, of course. I believe I'm just going to wait for him to bring me some nice drill bits for metal. In our case, aluminium. They even sent to me a handle, and I think I'm just going to install even this one because probably it's going to be easier to pull the door. If not, I will still have to go on top and pull it. So yes, I have a nice handle that I believe it was just included in the pack. Well, that was a long time. Mario is still not coming. I think I'm going to try to do it with this one. Come on, Dan. Easy, easy, easy.
You already made the hook.
Of course I made it.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna
You are taking too long.
Too long. I need to find the drills, my friend.
I need to find the drills.
Huh?
Yeah, those present for me, but those are going to break also.
No, but that one is very nice one. See?
Just going to put 2 for the moment, because I know aluminium is just going to become bigger in time. Probably not there, but on the handle, yes, because you are going to force it all the time. And that's it. Now I have to be careful with this one.
Yeah, you need to put in the middle there.
Yeah, it needs to match.
There. Like that. Oh?
Yeah, it's even here. Because if it's going to be too much, then it's not going to go in that gap. I'm just going to put one there.
Yeah, we're gonna get some drill for you tomorrow. I'm gonna bring some set to drill because this drill, come on.
Alright.
Maybe I don't forget. Maybe I forget.
Double check. It's not too deep, you know. It's just going to stop.
Yeah,
All those ones.
Now when you put one inside and one outside, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
And that drill always, and one, then two, and hello, we spoil the drill.
Yeah, I need to do faster.
Yeah, do it faster, then we spoil the drill. Break 3 drills. Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure? Beautiful.
Look at him.
Beautiful.
You're happy, yeah?
Always. Huh? Now you keep that drill. I think I put in 2. One is this is a little bit bigger. This is 3.5. I think.
Don't have screws more like this, no?
That
Or
one is-
aluminium.
No, I have
Even
not.
self-tapping, I
Yes,
think it's okay.
self-tap. I can bring some for you. You want like you need to be the size 13.
In here. Small ones. You don't like the sound of that, yeah? This hole, it's a little bit higher, but should be alright.
It's okay. Beautiful.
It is going.
Yeah.
And I drilled even the holes for that while you were away. I drilled the holes for the handle.
Okay.
Where is the handle?
And is there?
Okay. I think these are too big. We are going to break it inside. I don't trust it, you know.
Yeah, the thing is we need to know the size. Maybe down is too small to there, no?
Yeah, it needs a little bit bigger the hole, but
This is too big, no?
yeah, if I force it, I'm just afraid this is going to break, you know, the screw. It looks okay. Some white screws would have been nicer. So now I can open it. Let's see. Easy. Boom. Boom, boom. It's holding. It's okay. Yeah. Beautiful job. Oh, I think we need to cover it somehow. It doesn't have any cover here. This is here. It is bigger here. It's not going there. This is not going properly inside. Yes, we have a handle. See, this corner is not going properly inside here. Maybe I need to cut it a little bit. Here is going because these they opened up from there. It is okay. I'm just going to cut a little bit from that. So yeah, job done. Now I've just realized that I didn't show you how is the opening from inside. So we have this handle here that usually is going inside like that, and if we leave it outside, then when we open the door we get that. So that to close it, we just need to do this and put it back like so, and then to open it just going to be like that, and there is another one right here that is going to work the same, and then the door is going to open completely. And now it's just going to be an open space. This type of lock right here, it can be used even on a shed or even on the window, even on a storage like this. But of course I'm not going to put something like that on a small storage like this, because probably that lock is going to cost more than the actual storage. Now I'm quite happy with this type of lock because it's quite belonging with this type of door here. You cannot see a big difference, so it's not ugly. First of all, that's why I even took a while to find something and to install on this door, because the next thing would have been to actually make a hole into the door and just put a handle or something similar, and that I wasn't okay with that. And I'm quite happy with this type of lock. It's not a lot of work and it does the job. So at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one.